Piece of shit. See? It's a little broken here, and there's a dent. And see, it's a little broken there too.
Shit yourself, I guess.
That's okay though. But look, it's a 3800. Grand Prix, yeah, see, it's got all the fancy stuff. It's got power, everything. Oh, it's in all the way, shit. Here. Rust on the side skirts. All-wheel disc brakes. Front-wheel drive. Yeah, but lots of suspension.
Okay, put that up.
Alright. This is the rear struts. This is all, like, see, it's all sort of pre-built for us. Like all the steering, or all the struts. He just had all brand new struts put in before we bought it. So he kind of got fucked there, but that's okay, because we won. So this amount to the front of the frame, and then it'll connect down here. So there's our stabilizer, and there's your A-arms, and same on this side. Yeah. All right, forward disc brakes. Broken still. Got all the headlight stuff out. It's lifted right now, so it's hard to get a picture of it. Gonna drain the coolant, and then soon she'll be back on the ground. Here's our axles and stuff. New disc. All right. Get the battery out. All the electrical. Unplug, well, for the most part. Bunch of bolts, scrap pile. All this crap we're keeping. Get all that out. They're just taking the rad out right now. We just got the fans for the rad out. Right there.
Need a 90 pick.
90 pick? Alright, well, we got the engine out. That's out. We just dropped the entire cradle, so it's sort of barren in there. See, it's pretty open. That's a little red. That one's shit. There it is. There, it's broken. Got the engine all out. Engine mount. Well.
Nice learn the video.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
But so
that's
did I.
My finger. See it bleeding.
Oh, that's not
I'm
good.
kidding.
The rack and everything still in there. That's broken. That's okay. The axles and everything's still on. We just dropped the entire cradle. Brake booster and vacuum lines and all that shit is still on there. The AC. We dropped that entire pipe with it. So yeah. It should be cool. What? That's the end result. Ugh. Whatever. Alright, well, this is the car now. It's a little broken. Got all the fenders and doors off of it. Yeah, that fender didn't want to come off, so I just grabbed it and ripped it. But engine's out. Now we just gotta grab the brake booster. All that came off. All the cluster and everything's out. All of the, pretty much the whole front end is out. Back seat's out. Doors are there. all the back suspension, back cross member, back brakes, back tires, back doors, back seat. Up in there, that's all gonna be, it all just goes to the garbage with the car. And then, yeah, that should be interesting. Huh. I'll get you an entire car view. Yep. All that in about 5 hours. Got the whole car for $400, so it shouldn't be that bad. And we'll see. There's the engine. We just dropped the entire cradle, so all the axles and everything just came with it, the tranny and everything. Yeah. We'll probably just bolt the cradle straight into the back, but we'll eliminate all the stuff we don't need first. It'll be a really, really clean engine bay. Like, just a couple wires, just the necessities to run. Alright, well, we got everything we wanted out of the car. So now, we're just cutting it all up into pieces so the junker guy can come and take it away. Got all that out, got all the seats out. We T-topped the roof just for fun. We got the gas tank, that'll probably be shitty for cutting. Body panels off. There, easy. A little bit of decorative cutting. Alright, so we got her all gutted, got her apart. There she is. That's the final. Called the scrap guys, come pick her up. Just loaded the back full of shit. There she is. Sad to see her go. Not really. You know. Alrighty.